Can you add hashtags on TikTok after posting? Let's find out. First, open the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Now head over to your profile. So over here, I have recently posted a video. I'm opening that video here. Now tap on the three dots over here. And from here, you will find the option of edit post right next to edit tagged people. Now, previously, this option was not available, but as you can see, edit post option is available right here. So it says you can edit your description and cover once a day. Edits can be made within 7 days of posting. So if it has been 7 days, you won't be able to add the hashtags later on, but as I have recently posted this video, I can simply add a hashtag. So here I have added a new hashtag, and as it says, you cannot edit your description over and over again in a single day. You can only do it once a day. So make sure that this edit is correct, and once you are good with this, you can simply tap on the save option right here. And once you have done that, the hashtag will be added. So if this option is not available for you, you can simply head over to your Play Store application and update your TikTok app to the latest version, and this feature will be available to you. So that is how you add hashtags on TikTok after posting your video or photo. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.